Here we have a 2019 BMW 320d M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £4,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the M Sport Plus package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, and with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the blue exterior paintwork, the LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front kidney grills. We have the full M Performance kit, which includes the gloss black front splitter. We have the side skirt extensions along the bottom. We also have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the shark fin antennae up top, along with the rear spoiler lip just there. There's a look at another alloy wheel. Then we have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. And round to the rear you find we have the dual exhaust with the rear diffuser. If you press this button just here on the remote, then the boot will pop open just like so. And inside of here you find we have a decent amount of space. As you can see, it goes quite far back. We also have a handle just underneath here to close that back up, if you close it properly. And then walk back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, in the back first you find we have the full leather interior. We have the foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points as well. We have the blue stitching, the M Sport style seat belts. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We have the ambient lighting, electric windows and the brushed metal door handles. Taking a look at the front, again full leather interior. Both the front seats are heated, and there is a look at them front seats. Again, the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We have the electric mirrors and electric windows. We have the auto lights and the auto wipers. A multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters either side. Taking a seat inside, you find we have the speed limiter and the cruise control, digital dashboard up top, and also the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has the likes of the sat nav just here. We have all the shortcuts down here, so click onto the media, then you'll find we have the media just there, the DAB radio, the Bluetooth audio just there, the phone connectivity as well. We have a range of apps just there. We have the different drive modes, all the shortcuts down here with the electric handbrake and the auto hold. Inside of here you'll find that we have the wireless phone charging, cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and a USB port, which can be closed off just like so. We have the climate control down here, the heated seat buttons on either side, ice cold air conditioning and much more. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.